Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about Bharat Series registration or BS number plate registration, its benefits and other related details. Are you planning to resettle in another state or a city in India? And if you are going to take your vehicle along, then re-registering the same in the new place will be mandatory. As per the earlier prevailing Motor Vehicle Act rules, a passenger vehicle can be driven for maximum 12 months without transferring the registration to a new state or a new city. And if you are not doing the re-registration after 12 months, it may attract fine and penalties in the new state. But in August 2021, Government of India introduced this BS number plate or Bharat Series registration. So that removes the obligation of transferring the registration to a new place. The BS Series registration actually commenced from 15th of September 2021 in India. Now let's see who can register for BS Series number plates. You should be either center or state government employee or defense sector or bank employees or administrative services. For the private firm employees, the firm should have at least 4 offices in 4 different states in India. Basically, it's a great advantage and it saves a lot of time and energy of the citizens. The trouble of transferring the vehicle each time they get relocated from one place to another within our country. Let's look at the main features of BH series. First of all, it's applicable only for non-transport vehicles. So when you're shifting to a new state or a union territory, you can completely avoid the re-registration process. And the BH series number plate is valid throughout the country. The looks of the number plate is exactly the same with white background and black fonts, except that the format of the license number is different. The BH registration number actually consists of year of registration in YY, followed by BH as in the code, the 4-digit registration number, and finally XX that stands for 2 alphabets excluding I and O, indicating the vehicle category. The road tax for the BH series vehicles can be paid online. It comes to 8% for cars below 10 lakhs, 10% for cars in between 10 lakhs and 20 lakhs, and 12% for cars above 20 lakhs. So this is a great benefit for people who get transferred from time to time, getting relocated from place to place within India, as the number plate is valid throughout the country. So the process of interstate transfer of the cars or the vehicles will be smooth. Thus, the BH series number plates provides a standardized registration process across the country. The uniform design of these plates also helps to reduce fraudulent activities by making it easier for the authorities to identify the registration state of the vehicle. So it's very important when it comes to the vehicle thefts and fraud cases which are on the rise. If you compare the tax implications, the earlier systems, buyers must pay road tax upfront for 15 years at the time of purchase of the car, calculated based on various factors such as the length, the engine capacity, and definitely it varies from state to state. Whereas Bharat State Series taxation is more relaxed tax regime. Here you are required to pay taxes only for 2 years at the time of purchase, and thereafter it needs to be paid every 2 years, depending on the state in which you are residing. And the taxes can be paid online through the websites. Additionally, the tax is essentially calculated based on the invoice value of the car instead of standard ex-showroom price, which can result in some saving to the buyers. So the pros of the Bharat series is free movement of vehicles from one place to another, road tax being slightly lower, and the upfront cost for the tax is lower in the case of Bharat series. The negative sides, the numbers are being generated randomly, which means the owners do not have any choice, and it involves periodic tax payments, which could be a hassle for some people, and commercial vehicles are not eligible for this. It is expected that in this year there are going to be some changes going to happen in this Bharat series. The computer is going to generate a new sets of random numbers, and the format is going to be a bit different from this year onwards. And there is also a chance that the last debtor may also change. And now the government is also going to allow the usual registration owners to opt for a BH series. This is definitely going to benefit many people. So in conclusion, Bharat series has definitely brought in a new era in Indian vehicle registration process by simplifying the process and streamlining the registration process. But in India, a few places it is yet to be implemented in totality. For example, the state of Kerala is yet to implement the scheme in totality. In fact, the High Court passed an interim order in 2022 March directing the state to implement the BH series. However, the order was not followed because Kerala state is going in for an appeal to the Supreme Court. The Kerala government has been very reluctant to implement this scheme from the time it was introduced, citing concerns about loss of revenues. Essentially, there could be some loss of revenues to the state government. Although the state government has appealed to the Supreme Court, it is still pending. So in Kerala, people are yet to start availing the benefits of BH series registration. But it is expected that at some point of time, government will have to definitely comply. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you.